Hi guys, welcome to back my channel Vijaya Tutorial Point. Today topic is the difference between the laptop processor and desktop processor. So many students ask this question. And now I will make this video. This video is very short. Let us to watch the starting to till end. Very clear. The difference between the laptop CPUs, the designing for the battery efficiency performance, the desktop designing the maximum performance for the power. The laptop CPU is a smaller, lower power consumption. The desktop CPU is the most large, high power consumption, and the limited upgradation of the laptop. Then the desktop is the much upgradations and replacement changes you can done it, and the optimize for the battery life in the laptop CPU. The optimize is the cooling and power on the desktop CPU, and the power on the battery and upgradable not available in these laptops. The desktops is the performance and cooling is also most important. This is the today topic. Happy Shivaratri everyone. Thank you. Let us screenshot this. Let us go to the video. Thank you.